Each of us has a dream, a heart's desire. It calls to us. And when we're brave enough to listen and bold enough to pursue, that dream will lead us on a journey to discover who we're meant to be. All we have to do is look inside our hearts and unlock the magic within.
Ready to begin, let the wonder.
Oh, this is gonna be my last time seeing this.
Will it draw you in? Watch the moment unfold.
Whoa!
I can dream that we're meant to follow. Setting out for a new tomorrow. Every step we take brings a new hope, a new day. Every choice we make helps us find our own way. Every wish finds point into motion. Diving
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, here we go! Woo-hoo! All right! Okay!
It's just beginning for your
Happily ever after.
It's okay, Bubba's.
Make a wish and hold on tight. There's magic in the air tonight,
Seconds away, so be
and anything
Wow, boy! All right! Whoa! Okay! Woo! Oh, yeah! Ha-ha! Dad, this is for you! Oh, yeah! Quasimodo!
There's throwing by the sand, taste the morning out there, like a ordinary man who freely walked about
Oh!
day, and then I swear I'll be content with my share. What resentment, what despair,
Out there!
Your destiny lies within you. You just have to be brave enough to see it. And then your journey begins.
Oh, I have to love my singing there, my deep voice. Okay! Oh, look at all that smoke! Wow! Oh, multicolored! Oh, boy! Woo! Oh, my! Okay! All right! Santa Maria! this next song I can dance to. Thank you, everybody.
Trust me, having a best friend by your side opens up a whole new world of possibilities.
Okay. Okay. Oh my. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
That's what friends are for.
I never get tired of this music. Yeah. That's what I want to hear. Friend, you ain't never been. Friend,
Never had a friend. Some people are worth melting for.
Oh, it's starting to rain, Paul. Take it. I don't think Ting's gonna fly in this rain. Love is an open door. Love is an open door. Open door. Well, love is an open rain door. Okay. Fireworks, rain, combination. In my heart.
person is the most rare.
Whoa! Okay. Okay. Here come the villains. Oh my goodness! I like the start of these villains. Woo! I'm getting cool. Get rained on. Should have brought me a jacket and horror poncho, but that's okay.
Look inside yourself.
Roar, and what you have become. Remember who you are. And always remember, ladies and gentlemen, that you always must take your place in the circle of life.
Of a father today, where the heroes would be waiting for me.
Yeah, I don't think Tank is going to fly in these rain situations. I think Epcot Forever is going to be canceled tonight because of these situations.